There comes a time when you must disappear, not from existence, but from the noise, distractions, and chaos that keep you from becoming who you're meant to be. To disappear is to retreat into yourself, to sever the chains of fleeting pleasures, toxic relationships, and the endless need for validation. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The process begins when you withdraw, not in weakness, but in defiance, choosing silence over chaos, solitude over conformity. In that silence, you will confront your deepest flaws and wrestle with your darkest thoughts. But it is here that transformation begins. It is not destruction, but rebirth, where self-control becomes your weapon and fortitude your foundation. When you return, you will be unshaken, untouchable, and unrecognizable, not just to the world, but to yourself. You will walk with clarity, act with purpose, and rise above the petty dramas of life. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." And this is your freedom, the discipline to rule your emotions, the courage to face discomfort, and the wisdom to rebuild your life on the virtues that withstand the storms of time. This is not a journey of escape. It is a journey of mastery. So, will you take that step into the unknown, shed the old you, and emerge as the person you were always meant to be? The choice is yours, and it begins now.